Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So are you starting a blog in 2025 and you're confused between Hostinger or WordPress? Don't worry, you're at the right place at the right video. So first let's talk about the ease of use. So Hostinger basically is a website builder has a drag and drop, requiring zero coding and perfect for business. And on the other hand, WordPress is more advanced. You will need more hosting, themes, and plugins to get started. In discussing about the features, WordPress has thousands of themes, plugins, and full control over your website. Meanwhile, Hostinger is basically an AI-powered tool with a built-in SEO but fewer customization options. And if you compare the pricing of it, as you can see that Hostinger is right now offering $2.99 per month plus 3 months for free if you claim this deal right now. And on the other hand, if you talk about WordPress, WordPress is basically offering around it itself, it's free, but if you need hosting, if you want to host it, you can get it around like $3 to $10 per month. So, comparing the features, after comparing the features, we have to compare the SEO and the growth. WordPress basically offers you a supportive, powerful SEO plugin like Yoast, Rank Math, and help you rank higher. Whereas Hostinger is basically AI-powered SEO suggestions, but it has not as many as advanced tools. So with that, I hope you can make your decisions based on this comparison, the features, the designs, the security, and all the pricing that is offered, as you can see on this page as well. And with that, I hope this video was clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.